go there. Here is the small tutorial how to find Wyatt in the Wolfenstein 2, the new Colossus. Just follow my instructions. Go down there. Go and try to find the shooting range table sign, and here is shooting range sign. Shooting range, go straight, go down there, shooting range also. Go down there to the red light in the basement. Now you need to go through this, and when you came to this door, you need to destroy it with a big rifle. Nice. When the doors are destroyed, just go straight, go left, came through, and open the door with E. The doors are opening and you finally find the Wyatt. Thank you. Bye.